Girls sit in a living room and watch a cartoon, but they seem to forget something.
We have a report to pay next week. Oh, yeah. Have you ever done your report? No. What can we do?
I have a couple of times.
Will we call our group member to have a discussion?
Remember to call Big Thing to go.
Oh, it's a good idea, but where can we have a discussion? Oh, I know. Denmark is my home. Let's go to my home. Okay, go.
Okay, let me watch it over.
Hey, partners, wait for me!
Hey, our report hasn't been done. We must do quickly.
Hurry up! Oh.
Everyone is doing their report very hard, but the turtle is shopping online.
Wow, you look, come on. There is cookie on sale. Yes, it's so cheap. Very yummy.
Hey, everyone, be serious, okay? Hey, girls, how are you looking?
We shop online together, yes or no?
Oh, yes, I want to buy.
Me too! How many do you want to buy? Five. Four. I want to buy three. Three. Okay. Let's buy something together.
Okay, let's buy.
Here. Yeah. Quickly. Okay.
And have a call to check.
Wait.
Oh no, we haven't finished the report. And you guys are buying cookie now.
Turtle is calling to check the number of cookies, and the people is noise beside her, but
No one answer.
Why?
I call again.
Okay.
Hello. Yes.
Wow.
I want to sit. Oh, sit. Okay. Thank you. Oh, bye. You are so disgusting.
after 2 days, when they go back to room, the receiver gives a package to them.
Hey, this is your package. Please sign after receiving.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, go please.
Go,
open it quickly. Okay. I have the knife.
Oh,
Wait. I find. Let me find. Okay. Be careful. Okay. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? Only 6 packs of cookies?
How much did you order?
Oh no. 1606. I'm not sure. Huh?
Are you kidding?
What? Oh, I could cry.
It's crazy, but here's my number. So call me maybe. It's hard to look right at you, baby.
Hey, what are you looking for?
We are shopping cookies.
Hey, brother, wait for me!